let's have an apple strudel.
I'm here for this.
Yeah. 4 ounces of apple cider.
Okay.
1.5 ounces of amaretto.
So amaretto and apple cider. That's it?
That's it.
Okay.
I didn't put ice in it because the cider's plenty cold because it just came out of the fridge. But you can put ice in it if you want.
It smells like apple cider.
I don't know. Apple strudel. This came from Emma Blackmore.
Thank you, Emma. Oh my God. I'll drink that all night, all day. In the morning on Saturdays. I have this next to my coffee with some French toast. Emma really likes us.
It needs something.
Well, sure. What's it need?
Cinnamon.
Can we put some Jack Fire in it?
That's what I was thinking.
Let's do it. Just a little smidgettle. I think we've discussed before a smidgettle.
It was good. It's just sweet, sweet, sweet.
I think I think this is gonna be even better. I thought it was great. Thank you, Emma. Wow! You gonna drink yours? I'm just gonna borrow this. Thanks.
Yes.